There's little as frustrating as losing money and having no idea why. One immobile spindle could be costing you thousands, but if you don't know about it, how can you fix it? FactoryWiz turns knowledge into power, letting you see exactly what your machines are doing at a glance. How? By using native connections to dynamically communicate machine and job conditions to relevant parties. This modern and incredibly powerful system works seamlessly with your existing equipment, eliminating the need to manually monitor up and down time. This on-site intranet solution does it automatically, delivering real-time metrics. If a machine is idle, you'll know about it and can react accordingly before the job is complete. Live screens at a glance display the whole factory. And generated reports are emailed to your designated list. With an open API and a tablet at each station, operators can relay insights into machine status and issues, so you can solve problems before the job is complete. FactoryWiz uses your local secure server for local or global user access via live 24/7 dashboards. With your live production status available to you via mobile devices, why wait? Visit FactoryWiz.com online to learn more about FactoryWiz today.